The role of CBAP professionals in driving business innovation. Business analysis professionals, specifically those with the Certified Business Analysis Professional (CBAP) certification, play a crucial role in driving business innovation. What is a CBAP professional and why is their role important in driving business innovation? CBAP professional is an expert in business analysis with a deep understanding of how to analyze business needs, identify opportunities for improvement, and develop strategic solutions. Certification and requirements for CBAP professionals. To become a CBAP professional, individuals must meet certain requirements, including a minimum of 7,500 hours of business analysis work experience, as well as a minimum of 35 hours of professional development in the past 4 years. Skills and expertise of CBAP professionals. Some of these skills include strategic thinking, leadership, data management, process analysis, consulting, decision-making, collaboration, communication, problem-solving. The impact of CBAP professionals on business innovation. By leveraging their expertise and skills, CBAP professionals can help companies develop and implement innovative strategies that drive growth and profitability. Conclusion. In conclusion, the role of CBAP professionals in driving business innovation cannot be overstated.